I have some good news to announce today.
Wow! Each for himself and damn the rest. I have to fight. I must contend.
In my true heart, I considered you all friends.
Conscience? How much is a pound of conscience worth? Beat her!
If you lose, then you vote from apes.
I'm Zhao Zhen.
I am Xiao Da.
Man was created by God. And all of them have lots of gold. They're all rich now. What if I try to live the way they do?